Sound good for a little 310s.
Yeah, dude. Can I see the back real quick with some subflex, if that's all right?
You want the trunk open or closed?
Open. Hey man, could you tell me your name and what all's in here first?
Alright, my name's Mike. I got three Sundown SAs running off 2200 watt sound cube amp, 0 gauge. I got, those are just stock speakers. I got 4 6.5 frost gates, P1s, just running all off of the head unit. I need more power.
Okay. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a mic system. This was at the Virginia show, Team Deadly Hertz in 2021. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. Looking forward to showing you all the bass demo. So I really like the way he has the style of his box layout. The port is at the bottom, back, facing back. You have a beauty panel here. You can see into the magnets of the sub. And he optimized his space to fit the cone right below the top of the trunk. These subwoofers, I'm pretty sure they're rated at 750 watts RMS, the SA series from Sundown, and he has them ran on this SoundCube 2200. I'm going to say it's at 0.7 ohm, either 0.7 or 1.3. I didn't get the impedance of it, but that's the two options he most likely has ran it to. On a single 80 to 100 amp hour AGM battery, probably a stock electrical system, and he said he was still working on some improvements on it. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day. Got a good bit of subwoofer flex you're going to see in the back of the truck when it opened, and some outside flex after the demo inside. Enjoy.
Let's play some of this.
Making acid shaking windshields bright.
Go for a little 310s.
Yeah, dude. Can I see the back real quick with some subflex, if that's all right?
You want the trunk open or closed?
Open. She already got the outside. Just the outside with subflex. You're good? Thank you.